Join me as I dive into the challenge of uncovering the secret to making my money grow over time. Growing your money over time is one of the most important steps you can take towards financial security and independence. Think about it, having a nest egg that's constantly growing can provide you with the freedom to pursue your passions, travel, and live life on your own terms. But, of course, it's easier said than done. Many of us struggle to make our money grow, and it's not hard to see why. The truth is, if you're like most people, you're probably not earning enough interest on your savings to even keep up with inflation. And if you're not investing your money, it's actually losing value over time. That's a scary thought, isn't it? I mean, who wants to work hard for their money only to see it shrink away? But despite the challenges, growing your money over time is absolutely possible. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some powerful strategies for making it happen. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building wealth, then keep watching. Growing your money over time requires discipline, patience, and a solid understanding of how to make your money work for you. It's not rocket science, but it does require some effort and dedication. So, if you're willing to put in the work, I'm confident that you can achieve financial freedom. One of the biggest obstacles people face when trying to grow their money is a lack of investment knowledge. I mean, let's face it, investing can be intimidating, especially if you're new to it. There are so many options out there, and it's hard to know where to start. Do you invest in stocks, real estate, or something else entirely? And how do you even get started? Another big challenge is low interest rates. I mean, if you're lucky, you might be earning 2% interest on your savings account, but that's barely enough to keep up with inflation. And let's be real, who wants to earn a measly 2% interest when you could be earning so much more? Many people also struggle with lack of discipline when it comes to their finances. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and splurge on something you don't really need. But if you want to grow your money over time, you need to be disciplined and focused on your long-term goals. Fear and uncertainty can also hold people back from growing their money. I mean, what if you invest in something and it doesn't work out? What if you lose all your money? These are valid fears, but they shouldn't hold you back from taking control of your finances. Some people also lack a clear financial goal. I mean, what are you trying to achieve with your money? Is it saving for retirement, paying off debt, or something else entirely? Without a clear goal, it's hard to know where to start or how to make progress. And finally, many people struggle with a lack of time and motivation. I mean, let's face it, growing your money over time requires effort and dedication. You need to be willing to put in the time and energy to learn, plan, and take action. So, what's the solution to these common challenges? Well, that's what we're going to explore in the rest of this video. From stocks to real estate to retirement accounts, we're going to dive into some powerful investment strategies that can help you grow your money over time. When it comes to growing your money, there are many different investment strategies you can use. Some people swear by stocks, while others prefer real estate or retirement accounts. And the truth is, each of these options has its own pros and cons. Stocks can be volatile, but they also offer the potential for high returns. Real estate can provide a steady income stream, but it also requires a significant upfront investment. And retirement accounts can provide tax benefits, but they often come with strict rules and regulations. One popular investment strategy is to diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. This can help you spread out the risk and increase your potential returns. Another strategy is to focus on dividend-paying stocks, which can provide a steady income stream over time. And of course, there are also more advanced strategies like options trading and forex investing. Real estate investing is another popular option for growing your money over time. By investing in rental properties or real estate investment trusts, you can earn a steady income stream and benefit from appreciation in property values over time. And let's not forget about retirement accounts, which can provide tax benefits and help you save for the future. But despite the many options out there, I believe there's one strategy that stands head and shoulders above the rest. And that's the power of compound interest. By earning interest on your interest, you can create a snowball effect that grows your money exponentially over time. It's a powerful concept, and it's one that I'm going to dive into a bit deeper in just a minute. So, what's the secret to making your money grow over time? Well, in my opinion, it all comes down to one thing: discipline. You see, growing your money over time requires discipline and consistency. You need to be willing to put in the time and effort to learn, plan, and take action. You need to be disciplined in your spending habits and avoid getting caught up in get-rich-quick schemes. And you need to be patient and focused on your long-term goals. By combining the power of compound interest with a solid investment strategy and a disciplined approach, you can create a wealth-building machine that grows your money over time. It's not rocket science, but it does require effort and dedication. So, if you're willing to put in the work, I'm confident that you can achieve financial freedom. In conclusion, growing your money over time is a journey that requires discipline, patience, and a solid understanding of how to make your money work for you. It's not always easy, but it's definitely worth it. By avoiding common pitfalls, staying focused on your goals, and using the power of compound interest to your advantage, you can create a bright financial future for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite strategy for growing your money over time? Do you have any tips or advice to share with the community? Let me know, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more financial tips and insights.